As the IT department of the organization, you really want to focus on your strategic projects. However, you keep getting distracted by requests flowing in from your colleagues in other departments. Being an IT pro, efficiency is core to everything you do. So next, you go ahead and put an IT ticketing system like Jira Service Desk in place to help you manage and plan the tasks better. That's a great improvement, but it doesn't solve the problem, as you still need to do the actual work, like offboarding a user from Google Workspace, creating a Google group, or updating everyone's email signature based on the marketing team's request. And yes, the next step would be to start scripting these tasks, but you need time to write the code, test, and deploy it, setting you back potentially days or weeks from where you really need to be. And the job's not done yet. The APIs get updated, and you'll still need to maintain the code and its infrastructure on an ongoing basis, snowballing your ongoing admin and maintenance task lists with no end in sight. At Zenphi, we understand your world and your drive for efficiency, which is why we've built a rich set of actions to automate your Google Workspace administration tasks, replacing hundreds of lines of script with a quick and easy drag-and-drop solution. Whether you want to transfer a user's data before deleting the license from Google Workspace, update a user license, or globally manage common labels in Gmail, you can leave it all to Zenphi. You can even configure Zenphi to automatically export Vault data to Google Cloud Storage to save on your license fee costs. It only takes you a fraction of the time of doing it in code. Even better, with Zenphi, you can leverage your existing IT investments and easily close the loop on the last mile of automation by connecting Zenphi to your current technology stack, like Google Workspace, Jira Service Desk, HubSpot, Salesforce, Asana, you name it. The result? You only need to approve or reject the requests and let Zenphi take care of the rest. By the way, if you zoom out a bit, you'll see that these tasks are typically part of a larger process. Luckily with Zenphi, you can automate things end to end. For example, Zenphi can listen to your HR system, and when an employee is moving on to their next adventure, it can automatically take the steps you have defined to offboard the user from Google Workspace or your entire organization. Sign up today and leave it to Zenphi to take care of all those mundane Google Workspace administration tasks to free yourself up to focus on higher value projects and level up your organization.